As satellite S is moving in elliptical orbit around the Earth, the masses of the satellite is very small as compared to the mass of Earth. Then the linear momentum of satellite remains constant in magnitude. Now its linear momentum will not be a constant because it is moving in elliptical orbit. So when it is moving, when it is nearer to the surface or near to Earth, its velocity will be more, and far away from that velocity will be less. But the angular momentum will remain constant, not linear momentum. So first option is wrong. Second one, acceleration of satellite is always directed towards the center of Earth. That is correct because the force is always acting towards the center of Earth. The direction of force will be the direction of acceleration. So we can say that yes, that is correct. Angular momentum about the center of Earth changes in direction, but its magnitude remains constant. No, the angular momentum is getting conserved. That means both magnitude as well as direction will remain constant. Next one, the total mechanical energy of satellite varies periodically with time. Now, total mechanical energy will also get conserved, so it is not going to change with respect to time. So we can say that in satellite motion or in planetary motion, its angular momentum and its total energy will remain constant or get conserved.